Hey, good day everyone. You're with Sean Punch, Drawing and Photography. Thank you for watching. Please hit the like and subscribe button. You can comment below on what type of videos you'd like to see. Today I'm going to show how many of us pencil artists sharpen our pencils. What I'm using today, I'm using different pencils. I have a 5H by Derwent, a 2H by Caran d'Ache, an H by Faber-Castell, and what I'm going to use to sharpen is razor blade. Also have some rough paper and a Faber-Castell sharpener. Alright, so the action to do it is to use the razor blade and strike down on the pencil. I'm going to hold the pencil like so, 2 fingers. I'm going to hold the razor blade with 2 fingers and use my thumb to push down. Now, why do this? It gets a lot of lead out there. It gets the lead exposed. I can make the points even sharper, get nice, really sharp lines. And I'm using some napkins here to capture the wood and some of the lead, so my surfaces don't get too dirty. I could keep the fall off isolated. Alright, so what you see here is a long lead. Now I'm going to get this even sharper. There are a couple ways I could do it. So I'm going to put this sandpaper here, and I hold the pencil at a 45-degree angle, 45 degrees, and I push down with this, with the razor blade, and I turn the pencil. This could be a little bit time-consuming and tedious. Could be, but it's like a surgeon going into. It's like a doctor going into surgery. They need sharp instruments. Makes the job a lot easier. Alright, so this is one way to get the pencil. I'm going to speed it up a little bit. Alright, slide the pencil back and forth and turn it every now and then. And voila! Have a very sharp pencil lead. It's very sharp. It's like a needle. And using this sandpaper is good for harder pencils. It's good overall. Next up is Caran d'Ache 2H. Same process. So I'm very careful with the razor blade. I use my thumb to push away. I never have the blade facing me. I push away. And it also gives me a nice form of control. Alright, it gives me a nice bit of lead, and I'm going to use this. I get through it a lot quicker. Okay. Alright, so that's pretty nice right there. That's my 2H. Let you see it. That's the lead. Next up, I'm going to do an H. H stands for hard. What I will do, I'll flick some of this over. Keep my area, a bit tidy, nice and tidy.